fastest of last week's elimination winners. Third choice here at 6-1 is number 5, Tell It Like It Is. A locked up third in last week's elimination for Tactor, and Ron Pierce picks up the catch drive on the son of Well Sid. They're in behind the gate for tonight's 7th race. Lined up for the 7th race, Metro Pace Final. Here they come. They're off and pacing. First away down the center, fires out Tell It Like It Is. Western Vintage came away floating off the gate into second. From the rail away third is Boom Boom Ballykeel. Under restraint fourth, Let's Drink on It. Parked out fifth, Luck Be With You. Caught 3 wide going into the first turn. As they move into that first turn and caught wide, drives out Play It Again Sam. Further back towards the inside as they track their way to the quarter-mile marker is Some Major Beach. Further back on the outside as the field makes its way by the quarter in 26 1/5 second. Parked out there from an 8th position is Winds of Change. Then towards the inside we go to find Beat the Drum and 2 more to Trailer Ideal Magic. They move into the backstretch and Western Vintage has got the racetrack. Jangra leads the way up towards the midway point with him. Western Vintage says Catch Me If You Can. Back into the pocket position, Tell It Like It Is trips out. Boom Boom Ballykeel with a ringside seat right there from in third. Outside fourth, Tough Trip. 4, the parked out Attacker through a 54 3/2, and that's Luck Be With You. Driving on to challenge now, slipping out off the rail to pick up cover 5th there, and off stride went Luck Be With You. Luck Be With You made a break. So to the outside fourth now, coming first up is Let's Drink on It. 5th and tip to the outside now, able to escape to the outside comes Some Major Beach. Further back on the outside we go to find Beat the Drum. Along at the inside there is sweeping up 3 wide from the backfield comes Winds of Change, and they go off a half in 54 3, and now to 3/4 in 122 2. Top of the stretch lead, and it's Western Vintage coming off the turn. The lead is 2 lengths now. Back into second, a fully extended Tell It Like It Is. Some bumping there in deep stretch, and a couple of them got hooked up in deep stretch there. Deep stretch lead belongs to Western Vintage, and it's Western Vintage. Boom Boom Ballykeel powering up on the outside for filling on, and it's a Boom Boom upset in the Metro Pace. Boom Boom Ballykeel with an explosive late kick wins in 150 4/5.